Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have, look at this new logo, $250. Wish they would give us a better deal. We have super coupons starting July 6th through the 19th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and we'll jump through them. But just know that this red, white, and blue savings is just the super coupons that were already up. They've chosen some of the few that are up with some instant savings. We know about this. Maybe they're adding some more to this. Looks like this list is growing longer, so maybe they're adding to it, but it's just stuff that already exists. Anyways, this is post 4th of July, and let's just go ahead and jump in. Hopefully everyone had a great 30% off, $20 and under weekend. Let me know how it went, please. Always enjoy the stories, positive or negative. But let's get started. BAUER. 5 amp, 9 inch, whoa, variable speed drywall sander, $100, $50 off. We do see this go on sale often, and this is up there with the deep discounts. $50 off, $100 compared to DeWalt. Chicago Electric power tools, 10 inch sliding compound miter saw, $110, normally $150, $40 off. Blade sold separately, just FYI. BAUER 2.8 amp, 5 inch random orbit palm sander, $20. 50% off. We got some good deals to start the super coupons. I love to see it. 50% off. I think we've been there before, but $20 for the random orbit palm sander. This has definitely been a HARBRO favorite in the past. And this one here, Warrior 1500 watt 11 amp dual temperature heat gun. It's been 50% off as well. But right now, $13, normally $20, 35% off. Still not bad. BAUER 4.5 inch. That's more normal. 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch Type 0 141 metal cutoff wheels, 10 pack, $4.99, 44% off. HERCULES Alert 9 amp variable speed surface conditioning tool, $100, $40 off. Again, solid discounts. BAUER 5 inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding discs, 15 pack, $8.49, 15% off. Warrior 18 volt cordless 3/8 inch drill kit and battery charger, 33% off. Get it down to $20. BAUER 8 amp 4.5 inch trigger grip angle grinder, $30, 14% off. Some Meguiar's 32 ounce mirror glaze pro speed compound, $25, 16% off. 200 pound capacity portable work stand, $22, normally $27, 18% off. HERCULES impact rated hex shank titanium drill bit set, 7 piece, $8.99, normally $13, normally $13, 30% off compared to Milwaukee. We have Central Machinery, 1 inch by 30 inch belt and 5 inch disc sander, $60, normally $69.99, 14% off. HERCULES 2.4 amp orbital quarter sheet sander with soft start, $30, normally $45, 33% off. Excellent deal. Central Machinery dust collector accessory kit, $55, normally $80, 31% off. So solid start. Continuing, PITTSBURGH V-Groove combination wrench set, 14 piece, your choice, of course, of SAE or metric, $40, normally $50, $20 off compared to Sunex tools. Icon Alert, haven't had these in a while. Icon Alert, lifetime guarantee, half-inch drive professional deep socket set, 13 piece, only 16% off, but $10 savings, $50 down from $60. SAE or metric compared to Snap-on. Super coupon, curved jaw, PITTSBURGH locking pliers set, 3 piece, $9, normally $13, 30% off. The PITTSBURGH 3/8 inch drive flex head long head ratchet, long handle ratchet, $28, normally $33, only 15% off. More Icon Alert 3/8 inch drive professional triple square impact bit socket set, 9 piece, $30, only $40, 25% off is not too bad. Then we have Central Machinery 17 inch mini magnetic sweeper, $10, only $14, 28% off. More Icon, let's go. Icon lifetime guarantee, 12 inch S jaw quick adjust pliers wrench, $15, only $20, 25% off, also compared to Snap-on. Then we have BAUER high performance lathe chisel set, 6 piece, $75. Yikes, $75. Are chisel sets that expensive? That's pretty expensive. $75, normally $85, only 11% off compared to Shop Fox. Then we have PITTSBURGH 1 3/4 inch spring clamp, 89 cents, normally 99 cents. So you're saving 10 cents, also 10% off. I think that's the origin of the word percent. PITTSBURGH 2 inch C clamp, $229, normally $279, 17% off. Central Machinery 2 3/4 inch articulated vacuum vise, $18, normally $23, 21% off. Doyle 12-inch high performance V-jaw groove joint pliers, 33% off, down to $10, only $15. Solid deal. Then we have Central Machinery 27-inch quick release magnetic pickup tool, 25-pound capacity. What are you picking up with that? $12, normally $15, 20% off. You have Doyle again, 7-inch carpenter's vise, $60, normally $70, 14% off. The 1.5-inch spring clamp, 69 cents, very nice. Normally 89 cents, 22% off compared to Pony. Riding my pony. Pittsburgh 24-ounce ball peen hammer, $5.99, normally $8, 25% off compared to Urea. Fortress 27-gallon, 200 psi high performance oil-free vertical shop auto air compressor, $350, normally $400, $50 off. Central Pneumatic 20-ounce HVLP gravity feed air spray gun, 1.4 millimeter nozzle, $10, normally $17, 41% off. Merlin 3/8-inch by 50-foot heavy-duty retractable air hose reel. Rubber hose, 1/4-inch MPT fitting, $69.99, normally $100, $30 off. Fortress again, 2-gallon, 135 psi ultra quiet oil-free hand carry job air sight compressor, down to $180, normally $200, only $20 off compared to Makita. Avanti high performance handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer, $100, normally $120, $20 off. Maddox 12-volt, 125 psi high performance inflator, $120, normally $150, $30 off. We have Merlin 3/8-inch by 50-foot premium rubber air hose, 1/4-inch MPT fittings, $33, normally $40, 17% off. And the 50-pound portable abrasive blaster kit from Central Machinery, $28, normally $38, 26% off. Looks new. Tool storage and organization. We have the 30-inch 5-drawer cart at a surprisingly decent deal, down to $200, only $290, $90 off. Now, it's not parking lot sale deals, but it's not too bad. 31% off. So if you've missed all your chances of getting the 5-drawer cart and you need it now, 31% isn't too bad. Not too bad. Apache 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case, long, $120, normally $150, $30 off. Locks not included. YUKON 5-tier shelf, 36 by 18 by 72-inch, $40, normally $60, 33% off. Decent deal. We have a top chest, 56 by 22-inch top chest, $530, $70 off. Available in purple. I don't think this reaches our minimum 15% threshold though. $70 off of 600, 12%, 3.6 rockin'. Voyager 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets, $4.99, normally $8, 37% off. Storehouse in the house 40-bin organizer with full-length drawer, $15, $20, 25% off. Then we have more US General folding side tray, 4-drawer tech cart. If you didn't get it for 30% off over the weekend, 25% off is still not too bad. $15, only $20, 25% off. Continuing, hey, the Superduty. Let's not skip ahead. Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump, $130, normally $170, $40 off. Badland ZXR 12,000-pound truck SUV winch with wire rope, $50 off, normally $350 down to $300. Daytona alert 3-ton low profile Super Duty floor jack with rapid pump, $250, $40 off, normally $290. So if you were going to get one anyways. Hallmaster 400-pound capacity 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie downs 4-pack, $8, normally $13, 38% off. Hallmaster again, the dual ball adjustable aluminum hitch, 6-inch drop, 6-inch rise. Sounds familiar. $110, normally $140, $30 off. We have Viking 250 amp 6 and 12-volt wheeled battery charger, engine starter, and alternator tester, $200, normally $240, $40 off. The Pittsburgh 800-pound low-fit transmission jack, down to $169.99, $70 off, normally $240. Solid deal. Maddox MR16 Advanced 4.3-inch screen OBD2 code reader, $230, normally $260, $30 off. We have the MR5 1.8-inch screen OBD2 code reader, $35, 22% off. Solid deal. Badland 48-inch farm jack, $68, normally $90, 24% off. Icon alert again. All right, Icon alert again, 400-pound capacity, 43-inch professional creeper, $110, normally $140, $30 off is decent. $28 off would be 20%, so over 20%. A Maddox universal locking lug nut, Removal set, $30, normally $45, 33% off. Icon alert again. Hey, Icon, thank you. 1 year guarantee, not lifetime, 1 year guarantee on the professional digital display circuit light tester with interchangeable shanks. You can shank somebody. $69.99. Nice. Normally $80, 12% off compared to Snap-on. You have Jupiter Pure 2000 watt continuous 4000 watt peak pure sine wave power inverter, $250. Normally $280, $30 off. The Pittsburgh Serpentine Belt Toolkit, $15, normally $25, 40% off. That can come in handy. Hallmaster 1000-pound capacity 1.5 inch by 10-foot ratcheting tie down, $5, normally $7, 28% off. Grant's Auto Detailing Dirt Guard 3.5 to 7 gallon bucket insert, $5, normally $8, 37% off. Maddox 4-way valve stem core tool, $1.80, normally $250, 28% off. And then we have a Pittsburgh floor jack 3-ton with rapid pump, $120, normally $150, $30 off. And then we have Predator 9500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology, $1,800, normally $2,000, $200 off. Predator 11,500 watt tri-fuel super quiet inverter generator, $1,900, normally $2,200, $300 off. Vanguard 100-foot by 12 and 3 gauge outdoor extension cord, $65, 10% off. Whoops. And Vanguard 25-foot by 12 and 3 gauge multiple outlet extension cord with indicator light, $20, 25% off. We keep going. Predator gas powered earth auger, $40 off, down to $190, normally $230. Bauer 2000 PSI 1.3 gallons per minute max performance electric pressure washer, $160, normally $190, 30% off. $30 off. Portland 6.5 amp 9.5 inch electric pole saw, $55, 21% off. The Predator 9-inch 43cc 2-stroke is what it takes for me. Gas cultivator, $200, normally $250, $50 off. Greenwood 50-foot by 3/4 inch high flow garden hose, $18, normally $24, 25% off. More Greenwood, the 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $20, normally $30, 33% off. The 6-foot by 8-foot canvas 10-ounce tarp for the Tarp Bros, $25, normally $30, 16% off. I like this one. This is nice. Drummond half horsepower submersible sump pump with heavy duty snap action float action, 4,400 gallons per hour, undefeated, undisputed, $145 was $160, $15 off from Drummond. Home and Security Thunderbolt Edge Prime Power Alkaline Batteries, AA, AAA, 18-pack, $6.99, normally $9, 22% off. Stick Tech 50-yard silver duct tape, $3.79, normally $5, 24% off. HFT Super Glue Gel Pack 10-pack, $2, normally $5, 60% off compared to Loctite. Berger Welding Chipping Hammer, $4, normally $6, 33% off. Couple of Bremen, we have the 8-inch sheet metal clamp at $9, normally $12, 25% off, or the 9-inch locking welding clamp, also $9, normally $12, 25% off. Some Pittsburgh 8-inch needle nose pliers down to $3, normally $4, 25% off. Some Storehouse in the house 24-inch cable ties 10-pack, $2, normally $268, 25% off. More Storehouse nut and bolt assortment, 240 piece, $6, normally $8, 25% off. And then this is all Storehouse V-shape hang-all, $2, normally $250, 20% off. We have a couple of Franklin 900-pound capacity multi-purpose scaffold, $200, $40 off, normally $240. Or the 500 capacity, 500-pound capacity portable scaffold, $110, normally $130, $20 off. Both OSHA and ANSI compliant. High density foam mini roller kit, 3-piece, $3, only $4, 25% off. Braun, always fun to have, 200 lumen LED pen light, $5, normally $8, 37% off. Hey. And then we have Franklin 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket. Was this the free one? I feel like it was. $7 value, normally $9, 22% off. Hardy string knit gloves, 6-pair, $4, normally $5, 20% off. And last but not least, the Ranger neck gaiter, $6, normally $8, 25% off. And those are our new super coupons for the month of July, just after our 4th of July weekend, 15% off. Don't forget that. Harbor Freight trying to trick us by saying they have other 4th of July savings, but the Harbros know that red, white, and blue savings. It's just our normal deals that we have going on, but it's fine. They can do that. Marketing needs to make some of these flyers. But those are our super coupons. Seems decent. Always a lull after some big deals like the ITC appreciation, parking lot sales, 30% off weekend. So I don't blame them. I don't blame Harbor Freight. Tough to follow those up with some super coupons. But let me know what the Harbros think. I'll leave it at that. Happy Monday. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.